Well, hello guys. So today I will be doing something with fabric scraps. Now I wanted to make some postcards, so that's my plan. So yesterday I couldn't find a certain material I wanted for the backings of them, but you remember I had some of this. It's like a canvas. I think I put some paint on it at some time, but it was an old painting by numbers that I didn't like. So what I've done is I've cut some of this up. I've got a very old Stampin' Up postcard from my stash. So I've used that with some permanent ink, but my ink I think's running out a bit. So what I've done, it's a shame that it's gone a bit like that there, because every time you inked it, it came out on here, you see, so it's transferred a bit on there, but it doesn't matter. As long as you can see the background. Some are better printed than others. I think the first ones are so well. Yeah, so we've got those, which are usable. And they're nice canvas. I've done some of this fusible, iron-on fusible on the back. They're just scrappy bits. I may have to cut them a bit more down, but they're the size of them backs at the moment. So what that will do is just pad them out a little bit. But I was thinking there's two ways I can do this. There's put the scraps on these pieces here and iron it, because that will fuse it on, and then do that as the front and that's the back. Or I can just stitch a load of fabrics together, which I think I may do, cut them out, then fuse them on, which I think will save a lot of time. So I think I'm going to do that. So I've ironed out some fabrics. I'm hoping this one's dry because it's denim, and because I put water in the iron, it's gone a bit... It's just a patch of denim from an old pair of jeans. And I've got all these lovely ones that I've just run the iron across. So we're going to see what we can do with all these scraps today. I'm going to get the sewing machine out. Going to do some sewing. And yeah, we'll see what we'll come up with. Okay, well, you're down to my level now, and yeah, avoid the mess in the background. It's all crap. Right, so I've got some scissors here. I've got some scraps. Some of these have gone through the cutter, so I'm going to have to just take them bits off. But I've got even smaller scrap. Oh, I'll take it down a bit more. I've even got a smaller scrap hole than this, so these will go directly back into there, because I've got a plan for doing something even smaller using scraps soon. So I think I'll start with that orange, because that's the first one I had out, and I'm going to sew a piece of this to it. So what you do is you put the right sides, both of the right sides, put both of the right sides on. Which piece? Let's go there. Get the pattern where you want it. It doesn't really matter, because at the end of it, you're going to cut everything anyway. Right, let's get you off a bit more. Now, where's it? Where is it there? I've got it on a normal stitch. So, where's my foot pedal gone? Now, I've got all the scraps over here. I've just got to find my foot on the foot pedal and turn the machine on, which would help. And then just stitch it. the cotton out of it. Right, so we've done our stitch up the side. Hopefully this is all together, yeah. And there's our first bit done. So now what we want to do now is just open that a minute. We need to get another piece of material on there. I was going to use the other, but it doesn't matter. So I'm going to use this piece, and then what we're going to do next is we're going to put them two the wrong side down on top. So just get them in place. You can hold them in place by a pin. That one is, just make sure they line up. Cut the cotton pieces and we'll have a look, make sure it's stitched. There's a bit there, see? That's the bit that was very much open. So what we'll do is we'll just stick that back in the machine. We'll go up to that point, take the needle up, and then we'll open it up. Yep, it's done. So there we go, we got them. Guys, I've done them and I've cut them out. Now my options could be to sew them together, all together like that, and keep going and going. But what I'm thinking of doing is cutting them like that and then sewing them into a pattern. So that's what my next plan is, and I will catch you after I've done that. Okay guys, so I've done all the panels for these fabric postcards, and I've adhered, I don't know what you call it, because it's the interfacing, fusible, I've fused, that's right, I've fused the backs on. So all I've got to do is cut them around, which will be the next part, but I just wanted to show you how really nice the fabrics are on these, like this one as well. I love it. I mean, I've done them to no real pattern, as you can see. There was some squares, so I cut them and made them triangular, sewed them face together, and then opened them, then created that effect, which is, I love it. Right, so next part, cut those fusible interface things out, and then we can sew on the backs of the covers. So I'll catch you in a minute. Okay, so it's been a day or so since I started the project, and I have finished the postcards now, but I did do some slow stitching to the top, and that's what's taken me so long to do. Without the slow stitching, it would have just been done on the same day, but it did take me a while to do the slow stitching. So let me show you the finished ones. So they're like this, okay, And remember, they're like this on the back. You can actually write on that if you get a permanent marker. That is that way around. I cut some pieces of denim up and put some hearts on this one. I quite like that one actually. It's one of my favourites. This one I've done as well. Let me put that one up there. This one. I've done 7 in total. This one. Not sure which way these go round. This way, sorry. And then I cut out some petals and stuck a button on there with a jean denim leaf, and put some of this leaf in I've had for a few years. I think I got this off of AliExpress years ago and I've not used it for anything. So I thought I'd stick some of that on down there. They're nice. I mean, they're padded and it's fit them up to where they're stable. Like if I was to put, say, 2 fingers under there, you see it's not folding down, or that. They're stable with this canvas background, and I've managed to reuse that. But I think they've really come out nice. Really pretty colours as well. Yeah. This pink that I've used on here, this pink is actually denim as well. But I think they've come out really nice with all the different colour fabrics. They're really bright and vibrant and yeah, very happy type of thing. So yeah, let me know what you think, guys, and I hope you like this project. Now I'm going to get on with my Halloween projects. Well, autumn and Halloween for the competition. If you don't know about it at the moment, I'm doing a giveaway and a prompt. You can enter the prompt. There's a whole video on it and a whole description on it. A few videos along. Also in my community tab, there's a video in there for quick reference to quickly find it. I'm hoping more will join in, but as I've recently just come back to YouTube, I think a lot of people are doing others at the moment. I've seen a lot of other people doing a lot of others, and I don't know if they've got time to do mine, so, you know, it's one of those things. Maybe I shouldn't have started it so early, but, yeah. I didn't realise, people kept asking me all the time, will you be doing another giveaway? Can you do another challenge? I thought I'd put one up. I really run myself rugged trying to do it last week, to be honest. But we've got a few that are doing it anyway, including myself. Now, I've been making digital downloads, and I want to give one away for free this month. And I was going to wait until I'd done one of the projects, which is going to, as I said, I'm going to be doing next. I'm going to be making the autumn or the fall next, and then the autumn and the fall, because I'm going to do 2 different projects. But I don't want to wait till then to give it. So I'm going to put up in my community tab about it, and under here as well. Now, it's going to be on my buy a coffee, because I've got no hosting link otherwise, and that seems to host things, and you can take it for free. Use it how you want to do it. Use it, just don't resell it, please. That's all I ask. But yeah, use it for your crafts. Just print it out and use it, and it's free and it's good to go. So hopefully you'll like that, and I'll catch you in a few days in another video then. Hopefully now I've caught up a bit, and I've got a bit more time to craft. So, yeah. Okay, everyone have a nice day, and I will catch up with you soon. And here's the printable. It's free. It's available in the link below in the description bar. Go download it. It's an A4 size downloadable sheet, and it's a vintage patchwork fabric postcard, though it's paper sheet. So if you want that for your crafts and arts, go grab it while you can. It's free. Bye.